Hey everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the Chevrolet Nova SS. The Chevrolet Nova SS is one of the most iconic muscle cars of the 1960s and 1970s, combining performance with affordability. It was a part of the Chevrolet Nova family, produced by General Motors from 1962 to 1979. The Nova SS, which stood for Super Sport, represented the high-performance variant, offering powerful engines and sporty styling. 1. Origins and history. The Chevrolet Nova was first introduced in 1962 as a compact car, aimed at providing affordable, reliable transportation. The Nova SS, however, debuted in 1963 as a performance-oriented model, targeting the growing muscle car market. The SS was initially an option package rather than a separate model, but it quickly became synonymous with speed and style. 2. Key generations of the Nova SS. The Nova SS went through several generations, each with its own upgrades and changes. First generation, 1962 to 1965. In 1963, the SS option package for the Nova was introduced. Initially, the SS featured sporty styling elements, including chrome accents, bucket seats, and a special dashboard. Engine options. The first-gen Nova SS offered various engine choices, including the 194 cubic inch inline-six and V8 options, with the most powerful being a 327 cubic inch V8 engine, producing up to 300 horsepower. Performance. Early models were lightweight and had great handling, which made them nimble on the streets. Second generation, 1966 to 1967, the second generation saw a redesign with a more aggressive appearance, including a larger, more muscular front end. Engine options. The SS models were available with more powerful engines, including the 327 V8 and, later, the 396 cubic inch V8, which was introduced in 1967. Performance. The introduction of the big block 396 engine made the Nova SS a true muscle car contender, producing over 350 horsepower. This made the Nova SS faster and more powerful than many of its contemporaries. Third generation, 1968 to 1972. This generation saw the Nova become a full-sized compact, adopting a more angular design. Engine options. The Nova SS could be equipped with a range of V8 engines, including the 307, 350, and 396 V8s. In 1970, the Nova SS could also be had with the 454 cubic inch V8 engine, offering even more power. Performance. With the larger engines, this generation of the Nova SS could run 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds, which was impressive for its time. The SS trim also came with sportier suspension and handling upgrades. Styling. The 1968 redesign featured hidden headlights, a new grille, and a more aggressive stance. The Nova SS stood out with stripes, sport wheels, and unique badges. Fourth generation, 1973 to 1979, the 1970s saw a shift in automotive priorities, with stricter emissions standards and rising fuel prices impacting performance. Engine options. By the mid-70s, the most powerful engine available for the Nova SS was a 350 cubic inch V8, and the availability of larger, high-performance engines like the 396 and 454 had decreased due to tightening regulations. Performance. Though it was no longer as powerful as its earlier iterations, the Nova SS remained a popular choice for those seeking a sporty car. Styling. The 1970s Nova SS retained its muscular styling but had to adapt to new safety and environmental standards. Despite the changes, the Nova SS continued to carry its sporty reputation. 3. Performance and impact. the Chevrolet Nova SS became a performance benchmark for the muscle car era. While it was never as powerful as its larger cousins, like the Camaro or Chevy, the Nova SS offered an incredible balance of power, weight, and affordability. In its heyday, the Nova SS could be seen at drag strips and car shows, often modified by enthusiasts for even greater performance. The Nova SS played a crucial role in the evolution of the muscle car and helped to establish Chevrolet as a dominant force in the muscle car segment. 4. Design and features. Exterior. The Nova SS was characterized by sporty design cues, including blacked-out grilles, distinctive badges, and bold, aggressive styling. It had a low, wide stance, with large front and rear bumpers. Interior. The interior featured bucket seats, a floor-mounted shifter, and sporty trim. The dashboard was designed for easy access to performance controls, and some versions featured additional gauges for monitoring performance metrics. Suspension handling. The SS trim usually came with performance-tuned suspension, upgraded brakes, and heavy-duty components that helped improve handling and ride quality. This made the Nova SS one of the most fun cars to drive in its class. 5. The Nova SS legacy. The Chevrolet Nova SS remains a highly respected and sought-after collector's car. Its affordability compared to other muscle cars, combined with its performance, made it an ideal option for enthusiasts and racers alike. Today, classic Nova SS models are highly regarded by muscle car fans and often fetch impressive prices at auctions, especially well-restored or original versions. The Nova SS, particularly the first-gen and second-gen models, has become a symbol of the American muscle car era and continues to be featured in car shows, vintage racing events, and movies. 6. Conclusion. The Chevrolet Nova SS is a legendary part of automotive history, combining performance, style, and affordability. With its range of engines, including the iconic 327 and 396 V8s, the Nova SS was a favorite among muscle car enthusiasts. Over the years, the Nova SS cemented its place as one of Chevrolet's most iconic and beloved models, and it continues to captivate classic car fans around the world. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.